Hey there, it's Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue with your WhatsApp status not showing up. It's a quick and simple process, so let's jump straight into it. If you're trying to post a status and nobody can see it, or you can't see nobody else's status, I'm going to walk you through a fix for both situations. Firstly, let's start with when you're posting a status and nobody is seeing it. People are telling you that they can't see your status. So we want to make sure that your settings are appropriate. Here's what you need to do. Go to the settings located in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then go to Account, Privacy and then Status. Here you'll see the option to choose who can see your status. By default it should be set to My Contacts, meaning anyone in your contacts can see it. If it's not set to this, it could be set to My Contacts set for these people, or only share with these people. If this is the case, all you need to do is click on the My Contacts and everybody in your contacts can see your status. Now let's say you've tried this and people are still not seeing your status. The next thing to do is make sure that they have saved your contact in their contacts, and it goes vice versa for the next part. If you can't see someone else's status, it's because you cannot see a status if it's not saved in your contacts. Here's what you need to do. Make sure you've saved their name and number in their contacts, and vice versa. Make sure you have saved their name and number in your contacts. Once you've done this, you should be able to see each other's statuses. In the off chance that all that is not working and you've checked the settings and you're both saved appropriately, there could be a glitch in the system. I'm going to walk you through a way to reset it really quickly. Here's what you need to do. Come out of WhatsApp and go to your phone's settings, then come down to General and then iPhone Storage. Once this loads, find WhatsApp and hit Offload. Offloading the app is basically just refreshing it. It won't do anything to your personal information on your app, but it will reset it to get rid of all them glitches. It's like deleting the app and then re-downloading it from the App Store. It doesn't do anything to your phone either, it just resets it. Once that's reset, you can go back into the app and it should be working perfectly fine. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.